I don't know about you, but I'm sensing this. Oh God, we need it. And hear the cry of your people, God. Oh God,
we want you. We're patiently waiting for you. We need you.
Come on, is that your cry tonight?
We're hungry.
Yes, Lord.
We're thirsty for you. We want you.
And we've been waiting, God.
We're patiently waiting for you. We need you.
Lord, we will wait for you, 'cause all we want is you. Lord, we will wait for you, 'cause all we want is you. Oh, 'cause all we want is you. Yes, God. Lord, we will wait for you, 'cause all we want is you. Lord, we wait, 'cause all we want is you. Lord, we will wait for you, with our hearts wide open, 'cause all we want. Yes, Lord. Lord, we will wait, 'cause all we want is you. Yes, Lord. That's why we wait for you, 'cause nothing else. Oh, Lord, we lift up our voices in this room and we cry out to you with a loud voice, because we're hungry for you and we're thirsty for you, and we recognize that you answer the cries of your people. That's why we say, we've been praying. Yeah. Now we're crying. Lord, on every seed that has been sown in the dry season, we proclaim that the rain is coming. So that's why we say,